This is a miracle, guys. The Union Pacific. Union Pacific, baby. I'll be quiet. Oh my gosh, yes, oh my gosh, I forgot. That's the Chicago, Illinois to Norfolk, the Chicago, Illinois to Columbus, Ohio train. Alright, that was Norfolk Southern 266. It came from Chicago, Illinois. It's going to Columbus, Ohio. Okay, bye. That's all for now. I wonder if Norfolk Southern 266 has to pass through Foster, Ohio to get to, to get to Marion, and then head on down to Rickenbacker Yard in Columbus, Ohio. 266. Alright, that was Norfolk Southern 266. It came from Chicago, Illinois, and it's going to Columbus, Ohio. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.